How to make a progress bar in Notion. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for notion.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, you can now start creating or making your progress bar. So in here, we'll have to type /data and then on the pop-up menu, select database. And then in here, we'll have to tap on the plus sign, look for the number option. And then after that, you'll have to select what style of bar you are going to use. As for me, I'm gonna choose line bar. And then you can also change the color of your bar. As for me, I'm gonna select red. And then divided by, I'm just gonna select 100. And then in here, we can now put a data. So as an example, I'm going to put here 50. And then if you want to change this number to percentage, you can simply tap again on these three dots. Tap on the number option and then tap on the number format. In here, select percentage, and then as you can see, it automatically changed my status bar. So I'm just gonna change this back to 50%, and then I'm just gonna add a name for my status bar. So here, I'm just gonna type May report and then June report, and then I'm just gonna add numbers here. So as you can see here, I'm done making a progress bar. That's how easy you can create or make a progress bar here on Notion. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.